Welcome to Exercise 1 of the iMachining Professor Jumpstart series, iMachining Walkthrough. This example is a step-by-step guide on the definition process of SolidCAM's iMachining technology to machine the part shown here. In this video, we will define the CAMPart as well as the machine and work material parameters. We will then perform the rough and finish machining of the outside contour, center pocket, and pocket ledge. As we continue through our video, I will explain the geometry definition process in iMachining, as well as some important points to keep in mind while using the technology wizard. First, we'll need to open our example SolidWorks part. Please note that the example file called iMachiningWalkthrough.sldprt will be included with this interactive Jumpstart PDF and can be opened by simply clicking on the part name inside the PDF. SolidWorks will automatically open with the part ready to go into SolidCAM for programming. First, let's create our CAMPart. Go to SolidCAM, New, Milling. When the New Milling Part dialog opens, we will use the default settings and save our CAMPart in the model file directory by clicking OK. Next, let's select our CNC Controller in the Milling Part Data Manager on the left. Since the machining of this part will be performed on a 3-axis machine, we will choose the Haas SS 3XG milling post as our CNC controller for this example. Next, we will define our coordinate system. Let's choose the Select Face option and we'll place coordinates origin to corner of model box. Let's click OK to accept. Now we click OK to accept the default Z levels. Next, we will define the stock material for this job. Since there is already a solid body created representing the stock material, we will define this stock by a 3D model. Similarly, let's define our target and click OK to accept the selection. Now we can click the green check mark to complete the CAMPart definition.